Guess what Julie and I got for Christmas? In late November, a sunbird started building a nest outside our kitchen. A little bird with no hands built this in a week, one twig at a time. She laid her first egg on the 6th of December, and 2 days later, this nest and 2 eggs survived a small hurricane. Within 13 days, a chick hatched. This little yellow bird is teaching me about patience, dedication, and finishing whatever you start. We sometimes overestimate what we can do in a day, but we underestimate what we can achieve in a week or a year, one twig at a time. If you find these videos useful, please leave a comment and join my YouTube channel.